What was that?
That was a rock.
From where?
I don't know, it just flew up in the road.
Still doing this.
Well, Fiat's based in Europe. It's just they came as a company. International company.
Fiat is before Chrysler, just think over that way.
Chrysler's definitely American.
Oh, what was that?
That was a rock.
From where?
I don't know, it just flew up in the road.
This is why I hate being in traffic.
I saw it and I was like, oh shoot.
What did it hit? Did it hit,
I think it hit the side.
the side or the bottom panel?
It flew
Plastic.
up. It might have hit. God.
What in the hell? And there's a cop.
I held on for that one.
Dude, I hope that rock didn't hit the fucking side back there. What was that truck doing coming back into the lane? He stayed over there.
I'll look out in a second.
No, don't look out now, Kevin. There's cars all around, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
That didn't seem like a rock, though.
It was a rock.
Where the fuck did it come from?
It flew up from a road. I think I didn't check it. I just saw it fly up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think it's somebody.
Where did you see it fly up at?
On the right side. It flew up across the highway. So
Oh, really?
Somebody might have hit it, and it flew up.